The chapter is triangles for standard 7. This is the part 7 of the series. We have to now check whether it is possible to draw a triangle in the following cases. So we have learned the triangle inequality theorem, which says that sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So we have three options. All the three options has to be, it should satisfy, then only that it can form a triangle. So here if you see, 3 plus 4 is greater than 5, 4 plus 5 is greater than 3, and 5 plus 3 is greater than 4. So this can form a triangle. Consider this case, 5, 12 and 7. Here 5 plus 12 is greater than 7. 12 plus 7 is also greater than 5. But 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. It is not greater than 12. Therefore, it cannot form a triangle. Here 5, 4 and 10. So 5 plus 4 is 9 is less than 10. So straight away you can say it is not possible. You don't have to check the other two options. And here also 2 plus 2, 4 is less than 5. So here also not possible. So we have to check whether it is possible to draw a right triangle. So for a right triangle, the hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the other two sides. So in a right triangle, hypotenuse is always the greatest side. The greatest side will be the hypotenuse. So we have to check 13 squared is equal to 169, and 12 squared plus 5 squared, we'll check how much it is. So 144 plus 25, so this is equal to 169. Therefore we can say 12 squared plus 5 squared is equal to 13 squared. Therefore this is a right triangle. This measurement can form a, it's possible to draw a right triangle. Here in this figure again, in this set of numbers, 5 is the greatest number, so that will be the hypotenuse. So 5 squared is equal to 25. Now sum of the other two squares of the other two sides. So 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Therefore we can say 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Hence right triangle is possible. Now 4, 5 and 6. Again we will take 6 squared is equal to 36. Then we will see 4 squared plus 5 squared is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to 41. So it is not possible to form a, not possible for a right triangle. We can also see 4 plus 5, 9 is greater than 6. 6 plus 5 is greater than 4. 4 plus 5 is greater than 6. 5 plus 6 is greater than 4. And now 4 plus 6 is greater than 5. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So the triangle inequality condition is satisfied. So it will form a triangle. It can form a triangle, but not a right triangle. To find out whether it can form a right triangle, you have to do this. Hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Now we have to find the value of x in this triangle. This symbol shows that this is a right triangle at this vertex, and this will be the hypotenuse. Now we have to find the value of x. So x squared plus 9 squared is equal to 15 squared. So x squared plus 81 is equal to 15 squared is 225. So x squared is equal to 225 minus 81 is equal to 144. You can write 144 as 12 squared. So x squared is equal to 12 squared. The powers are same. So x is equal to 12. Here you have to find the value of x here. So x is the hypotenuse. So we can write this as 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to x squared. So 64 plus 225 is equal to x squared. So 289 is equal to x squared. So 289 can be written as 17 squared. So x is equal to 17.